everyone, today is International Yoga Day. I am Akriti. I am 3 years old. I am excited to show some simple yoga poses for kids. Let's start from mountain pose, also known as Tadasana. Next is tree pose, Vrikshasana. Now let's start cat-cow pose called Marjaryasana, Pithilasana. One of my favorite pose is the child pose or Balasana. Let's make our practice more fun by adding different variation to child pose. This is puppy pose.
Raghunandana Raghu Raghunandana Raghuvara Sevana Raghupati Chayana.
Now let's try some heart opener sequence. Dhanurasana, bow pose.
Shatayojana Shatashatayojana Sharadhiniyojana Sharaparilankanane.
Now let's try bridge pose or Setu Bandhasana. Camel pose, Ustrasana. Classic yoga pose, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. That is upward facing dog pose. Cobra pose, also known as Bhujangasana.
Hari Bhajana Hari Hari Bhajana Hari Mada Bhajana Dashamukha Kampana.
Chakrasana, the wheel pose.
Badavakrita Badabadabakrita Badabanalakrita Bahubhasmarcha.
Now asana sequence for grounding and strength. Kumbhakasana, also plank pose. Warrior pose or Veerabhadrasana.
Bhajana Hari Hari Bhajana Hari Mada Bhajana Dashamukha.
Low lunge, also called Anjaya Asana. Now let's try the downward dog pose or Adho Mukha Svanasana. Another fun pose is butterfly pose or Bhadda Konasana.
Hari Bhajana Hari Mada Bhajana Dashamukha.
Lastly end with relaxation pose, Sava Asana. Thank you for joining me today to celebrate International Yoga Day. Yoga is a wonderful way to stay healthy and happy. Remember to practice these poses regularly and enjoy the benefit of yoga. This year the theme for International Yoga Day has been Yoga for Women Empowerment. This theme aims at promoting the physical and mental well-being of women.
Raghunandana Raghu Raghunandana Raghuvara Sevana Raghupati Chayana. Shatayojana Shatashatayojana Sharadhiniyojana Sharaparilankanane. Raghunandana Raghu Raghunandana Raghuvara Sevana Raghupati Chayana. Shatayojana Shatashatayojana Sharadhiniyojana Sharaparilankanane. Hari Bhajana Hari Hari Bhajana Hari Mada Bhajana Dashamukha Kampana. Badavakrita Badabadabakrita Badabanalakrita Bahubhasmarchana. Jaya Ketana Jaya Jaya Ketana Jaya Haya Prabhuna Jaya Midadapugani. Raghunandana Raghu Raghunandana Raghuvara Sevana Raghupati Chayana. Shatayojana Shatashatayojana Sharadhiniyojana Sharaparilankanane. Hari Bhajana Hari Hari Bhajana Hari Mada Bhajana Dashamukha.